What's up, everybody? We're doing a kind of an awkward video today. So, if you're a young viewer or whatever or something, you probably should really watch this or whatever, because it's kind of bad, sort of. Yeah. That's all I have to say. Bye, folks. If you want to see, just whatever. But bye. Ouch. Get started. I'm so excited. We're gonna go to a party. Apple bloom. Don't you wanna be so excited? Cause you go to a Pinkie Pie party. We're waiting in line. Gonna go next. To sign into the party. And I'm so excited. Ugh, he's so annoying. Like, shut up. You're so stupid. And whatever. And like, just shut up. What did you just say to me? You hurt me. You're like so stupid. What did you just say to me? You look all ugly and weird. What happened to your stupid, ugly cutie mark? And like, why are you turning out purplish and stuff? Like, you're so ugly and stupid. Like, I hate you. And you're... And you're so ugly, stupid, and annoying. Like, I hate you. And you're stupid, and you're ugly, and you're so, like, annoying. What? You like hurt me? You must be deaf. Like, you're so stupid, annoying, and blind? Yeah. Foxy the pirate, whatever he goes. What did you just say to me? You're so stupid, ugly. You're even uglier than ever and stupid, annoying. You're not that much annoying right now, but you're really ugly and stupid and annoying. Pony meat. Maybe I'll be more smarter if I get those brains out of that smart little stupid girl. Yeah. I'm not done. Help me! Ooh, fresh meat. It looks like my work here is done. Ugh. Goodbye, little children.